We are providing online one-to-one PTE coaching with authentic practice materials. After enrolling our PTE courses, you will get next material updates for next 6 months. For more information, WhatsApp us on given numbers.
The research findings will be presented next month. The research findings will be presented next month. You must obtain permission before leaving early. You must obtain permission before leaving early. The instructor will check your assignments shortly. The instructor will check your assignments shortly. Please report any technical issues immediately. Please report any technical issues immediately. The test includes multiple choice and written responses. The test includes multiple choice and written responses. You should organize your study materials regularly. You should organize your study materials regularly. The presentation must be delivered in clear English. The presentation must be delivered in clear English. Please submit your feedback after the session. Please submit your feedback after the session. The classroom temperature will be adjusted soon. The classroom temperature will be adjusted soon. The college will host a cultural event next week. The college will host a cultural event next week. You should divide your time evenly across all tasks. You should divide your time evenly across all tasks. The exam paper consists of 4 different sections. The exam paper consists of 4 different sections. Please label your diagrams neatly. Please label your diagrams neatly. The professor encouraged students to ask questions. The professor encouraged students to ask questions. You must switch off all electronic devices during the lecture. You must switch off all electronic devices during the lecture. The event will feature speakers from various industries. The event will feature speakers from various industries. Please report to the help desk for further assistance. Please report to the help desk for further assistance. The course requires consistent practice and dedication. The course requires consistent practice and dedication. You should arrive on time for every session. You should arrive on time for every session. The meeting room is located on the second floor. The meeting room is located on the second floor. All mobile phones must be set to silent mode. All mobile phones must be set to silent mode. The assignment must be uploaded in PDF format. The assignment must be uploaded in PDF format. Please avoid unnecessary distractions while studying. Please avoid unnecessary distractions while studying. The test will begin once everyone is seated. The test will begin once everyone is seated. Your final marks will be calculated based on all assessments. Your final marks will be calculated based on all assessments. Please check the notice board for important updates. Please check the notice board for important updates. The reading materials are available online. The reading materials are available online. You must verify your email address to continue. You must verify your email address to continue. The hall will be sanitized before the next session. The hall will be sanitized before the next session. Please wait for further instructions. Please wait for further instructions.